What are some prompts for ChatGPT? Here are some prompts that you can use with ChatGPT. 1. Summarize a news article or research paper. 2. Write a short story or poem. 3. Generate creative writing prompts. 4. Write a script for a short film or TV show. 5. Translate text from one language to another. 6. Write a recipe for a dish. 7. Write a personal letter or email. 8. Write a product review or movie review. 9. Generate a list of questions for an interview. 10. Write a song or rap lyrics. 11. Write a marketing copy for a product or service. 12. Write a fictional conversation between two characters. 13. Summarize a book or a document. 14. Write a script for a video game. 15. Write a speech for a public event. Please note that the more specific and well-defined the prompt, the better the output from the model will be. Also, the length and complexity of the output may vary depending on the complexity of the prompt.